How to install Facebook Pixel on Wix website. So here, ensure you have a premium Wix plan and a custom domain connected to your site. Now set up a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't already, because if you don't have this two option, you won't be able to add. Now you have to create your Facebook Pixel. So let's just go to Facebook Business Manager. And once we're here, you have to just go and click on Meta Business Manager. It's the same thing, right? So don't get confused here. Now I have already my IDs. I'll just go to start now or go to the Ads Manager. Actually, it will lead you to the Ads Manager. It's same thing here. Now here you have to take your mouse on the left side. Now go to the All Tools, and here you have to select Event Manager. Right now, once you just go and click on Event Manager here, click on Connect Data and choose Web. So let's go and click on Connect Data, and we have to choose our web here. Now you must have a Business Manager account to connect a new data source. So as you can see here, so let me just change my account here, and then it will ask you to select a metapixel and click connect. Now enter the name of your pixel. You can just name anything here, and your website URL, so the domain which you have made here, for example your Wix domain, right? And then click on continue. Now here we have to, once you have done this, I hope you understood that you have to go to your Wix website. In a new tab, log in into your Wix account and select your site. So I've already did this. My site is site number 3 here. You can change your site from here. Now click on marketing and SEO. So here in the marketing section, you have to just go and click on marketing, and here you will get this option of marketing home. If you don't able to find here a marketing, or you can just go to the Facebook and Instagram ads. So in some way you will find this option of marketing and SEO, somewhere marketing integration. So here you can just go and click on get sales, or just go and click on get started. Now it will take you to connect your account. So I will just go and connect my Facebook account here. So let it connect. Now as you can see here, it is asking me the same thing which I told you. You have to publish your site, you have to have a premium subscription of Wix, and you have to also add a domain. Right now here, by the way, if you have already did this 3, then you will get this option to a pop-up will come up here. Select your Facebook profile and click continue. Grant the necessary permission for the Wix to access your Facebook account. After connecting, you will see a prompt to select the pixel you connect. Ensure the correct pixel ID is displayed. Copy the pixel ID from the event manager and paste it into the designated box in Wix, then click save. Now you have to verify it, and that's it. So once installed, you may want to configure specific events. You can just if you want to track, this can be done in the event manager by selecting the pixel. Right, so this is how you can do it, and I hope you found this video very useful.